Good peanut butter soup is what we are making today. This was absolutely delicious, very easy to prepare. If today is the first time here, hello. My name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. I am very sure you will love our videos and our recipes. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have with me here my homemade ingredients. Okay, that is tomato paste and then peanut butter paste. So we are going to mix it very well and then we can proceed. We are outside, so you are going to see flies. Please forgive me. It is normal, but we are going to ensure that they don't fetch on the food. Okay, we are very careful when cooking. Now after mixing it, I added some water to it. I'll go ahead and add more and then mix it very well so it becomes uniform. You can actually use your fresh tomatoes instead of the tomato paste. My mom usually uses the fresh tomatoes. As for her, she doesn't like tomato paste at all. Yes, she always enjoy using fresh tomatoes only for her recipes. Yes, but we are going to use tomato paste for this peanut butter soup. If you want a fresh one, you can go ahead and do so, but you make sure you get a nice one. Okay, the one that is well ripe and the one that tastes very good, not any pale tomatoes. Okay, after mixing it, we place it on fire and we give it a stir. Okay, you always have to make sure that the fire is not too much. If you've been here for long, we don't cook with higher heat. Okay, unless maybe we are in a hurry. Sometimes we do so, but we usually do not cook with a higher heat. So just allow it to be on fire, give it a stir on a lower heat whilst it produces some oil. We are doing this to make sure that we cook the peanut butter very well. Yes, because if it is not well cooked, it means you have to contact some toilet paper company because you have a running tummy. That is just by the way. So make sure you cook it very well and then or before you proceed. Okay, yes, and then keep an eye on it so that it does not burn. At this moment, if you want to prevent it from burning and then continue with the frying, you just have to add more water to it and then give it a stir. When the liquid is finished from it, you just go ahead and add more and then continue with the frying. So that is what you will continue to do to get that oil and then to make sure it is well cooked. With that, when you are preparing the soup, you don't waste time on it and it gets ready on time. Our meat is also here. That is goat meat with some intestine. The goat we are using is the male goat, so that is why it is calling the flies. So please forgive me. I added some pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, my seasoning, salt, and we are good to go. We are going to leave this on fire and we will get back. Welcome back, darling. So we added some water to the peanut that we fried, okay, and we got that liquid or soup like result, and then we added to the good meat we seasoned. Now we are going to leave this on fire and allow it to cook very well. After some few minutes, this is how it looks. Amazing. The flavor at my end, oh my goodness, cannot be described. Okay, because I don't know, I wish you were here to taste the soup or just inhale the flavor. Okay, just to inhale the flavor. Okay, yes, it was absolutely flavorful. This was made very easy, no stress, but trust me, it tasted good. So I added the rest of the liquid to it, and we are just going to allow this to cook very well. I'm going to cover it because we have a lot of flies here, and then make sure it cooks very well. At this moment, we are going to wait for a while before, if you add something to the soup, we do so if you have some onions there, go ahead and then add to the soup, add some fresh tomatoes to it. If you want to add extra pepper, add it to it, and then I will share with you what we are going to use that for. I already have all those vegetables being cooked already, which we will be adding to the soup very soon. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I know you will say the pot is smaller than the the soup, so the place will be messy. It will never be messy, my sister. I am very careful. I can manage Ghana economy. That is just by the way. You see this beautiful pot, okay? A content creator bought it for me. She is watching this video. Yes, she bought it for me like 4 years ago or so. Yeah, I am taking very good care of the pot, and she knows what I like. Thank you so much for your gifts. I am grateful. Okay, thank you. I'm going to take good care of it so you come and cook in the pot for our husband. That is just by the way. So this is how the soup is looking now. I have blended the onion and then the fresh tomatoes, added it to the soup, and now I am just going to have a taste to see if the salt is enough. I tasted for the salt and it wasn't enough, so I added extra salt to it, and now just look at the soup. It looks so good. We are on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please, for short videos, follow us on our YouTube short, Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much for having you today, and please do not forget to share the video to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. You can't afford to miss it. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.